Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, today is the Thursday 15th of April 2021. Today we will start our new chapter, which is chapter number 4, acids and alkalis. Students, we have completed our previous chapter. Today you have to first of all you have to make the title page of this chapter, acid and alkalis. Today our main topic is about acid. Today we will only discuss about the acid. So what is acid? Students, acid, the word acid, it comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Sour means khatta. So the word acid is derived from a Latin word which is acidus, and its meaning is sour. Students, now let me explain you about the some examples of acid. The example, for example, acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. All these are the examples of acid. Now let me explain you about some general properties of acid. What are some general properties of acid? Student, first of all, first one is all acids have sour taste. For example, lemon contains the citric acid, which is sour in taste. Next one is acid turns blue litmus paper red. So acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Another property of acid is aqueous solution of acids are good electrical conductor. Students, the aqueous solution of acids are good electrical conductor. This is the reason why sulfuric acid is used in car batteries to produce energy to start the car. Student, next, another property of acid is when acid react with metal, it form hydrogen gas. For example, hydrogen gas can be identified by a pop sound produced when a burning splint comes in contact with the gas. So for in the manufacturing of hydrogen gas, acid is used. When acid react with the metal, hydrogen gas will produce. Next one is dilute acid react with carbonates to produce carbon dioxide gas. When acid reacts with carbonate, then the carbon dioxide gas will be produced, and this carbon dioxide gas forms the white PPT when bubbled into the lime water. Next one is acid reacts with alkalis. When acid and alkalis react, they form salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So when acid react with the alkalis, salt and water is produced. Here are some general properties of acid. Students, now let me explain some important uses of acid. What are some important uses of acids? Student, first of all, first use is hydrochloric acid, which is represented by HCl. Hydrochloric acid is used in cleaning metallic surfaces. For cleaning the metallic surfaces, we used hydrochloric acid. Next one is sulfuric acid, which is represented by H2SO4, and sulfuric acid, student, is used in car batteries. In car batteries, the solution which is used is consist of sulfuric acid. In car batteries or making for plastics, and also in fertilizers. Next use of acid is nitric acid, which is donated by HNO3. Students, nitric acid is used in making fertilizers and explosive. Student, next fourth one is fourth use is ethanoic acid, which is known as acetic acid. The formula for acetic acid is CH3COOH. The use of acetic acid is in preserving food and for cooking. So we write as it is used in preserving food and cooking. Next one is citric acid. Student, citric acid is present in lemon. It is used in making health food, as we use lemon in our homes. Next use is phosphoric acid. The formula for phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Students, phosphoric acid is used in making fertilizers, and it is also used in inhibiting the rusting of iron, prevent rusting of iron. So this is your all about today's lecture. Student, we have discussed about the acid. The word acid is come from acidus, which means sour, and we have some important examples of acid here: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Then we discuss some general properties of acid. I have written 6 properties over here. Number first one is all acids have sour taste. Number second one, acid turn blue litmus paper to red. Number third one is acids are good electrical conductor. Number fourth, when acid and matter combine, it form the hydrogen gas. Fifth one is acids when react with carbonates, then it form carbon dioxide gas. When acid and alkalis combine, they form salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Next, we have discussed about some important uses of acids. Students, first use is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in cleaning metallic surfaces. Sulfuric acid is used in making car batteries, plastics, and fertilizers. Next one is nitric acid. Student, nitric acid is used in making fertilizers and explosives. Next one is acetic acid. Acetic acid is used in preserving food, for preserve the food and for cooking. Citric acid is used in food. Phosphoric acid is used in fertilizers, and it also prevents the rusting of iron. So this is all about your today's topic. Your classwork is to write the definition of the acid, and then write some general important properties of acid, and then uses of acid. Students, open your book, that is Lower Secondary Science 2 for grade 7. We have started our chapter, which is acid and alkalis. I have explained you all about the acids. Your classwork is to write some important uses and some general properties of acid. So this is all about your today's lecture. Do your work on your copies and then send me your work. Thank you, students.